In this video, we will see the capabilities of Agentforce for developers. Okay. Earlier, its name was Einstein for developers, but now you can see it is showing as Agentforce. Okay. So for the demo, I am having a sample code. Okay. Let's see what Agentforce can do for this. So we will just click on this Agentforce. Then this window will be open. Then type, we can ask something for this code, or we can just type slash. So it will give you three things. Okay. So let us try the explain first. Okay. I will select this one and then give it to the explain command. Okay. So it is explaining the code. The code defines a class name, this one, with a single method import data, and it is what this method is doing. It is already explaining those things. Okay. Now let's try the other one. I want to generate a test method for this. Then I will select test and let's see. Okay, so it already generates a test method and it is already explaining that one also. If you see here the code, if you want to use it, you can copy the code. Okay, you can copy the code and create a separate class, or if you are already in the test class, then you can copy this method and you can use it. Okay, so let's try the last one. So I will select the document. So what it will do, it will document the code with some additional comments. Let's see. See, it is generating the comment line by line. And if you want to use it, you can copy and replace your code with this one. Okay. So this is how it is working. And let me try some other natural prompt. Okay. Can we create this code more dynamic? See, it is giving you the code which can be more dynamic. Okay, if you want to use it, you can use. Okay, let me try something more on the code only. Create a method to fetch only 10 account records. Okay, so if you see, I just give the command to create a method which can fetch only 10 records. So it's already created that method. Okay. So this is how you can use the agent force. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you so much.